3. Dyeing procedure of disperse dyes. 1. High temperature, high pressure dyeing. High temperature, high pressure dyeing is carried out using a closed-type dyeing machines such as cheese, beam, jet, jig, or liquor flow type according to the form of the material. General dyeing conditions are as follows. About 1 to 2 grams of dispersing agent is added to dyeing liquor, and then pH value of the liquor is adjusted to 5 to 6 with acetic acid or buffer solution. The dyeing liquor is then gradually raised from 40 to 60 degrees centigrade to 125 to 135 degrees centigrade. And at this temperature the dyeing is continued for 39 to 90 minutes. And also dyeing temperature and dyeing time differ with the form of the material, the dye concentration, and dyeing apparatus. Therefore, it is important to select the suitable dyeing condition, dyeing process for nylon, triacetate, polyester, and acrylic fibers at a set bath at 50 degrees centigrade. In heavy depths, a mild reduction clear is advisable to ensure good wet fastness levels. After dyeing by various methods, reduction cleaning is carried out generally. Unfixed dye on the fiber surface is removed by this treatment. Color of the dye itself as well as good rubbing and wet fastness are obtained. The condition of reduction cleaning is generally as follows. 2 grams L-hydrosulfite, 3 milliliters L-caustic soda 38 degrees centigrade. Temperature to 70 degrees centigrade. Time 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Carrier dyeing. Carrier dyeing is carried out under atmosphere pressure by an addition of carrier to the dyeing liquor. Methylnaphthalene or chlorobenzene type carrier is used generally, which is added in concentration up to 7 grams L to the dyeing liquor. Other conditions of the dyeing liquor are the same as those for high temperature dyeing. The temperature is raised gradually from 40 to 60 degrees centigrade and continued for 90 to 120 minutes at 100 degrees centigrade. In carrier dyeing, in some case the troubles such as tarring of dye or carrier spot are taken from the no stability of emulsifier in the carrier under high temperature or some other conditions. Therefore, it is necessary to select the carrier so as to prevent the troubles. Reduction cleaning as stated in high temperature, high pressure dyeing. 3. Thermosol dyeing. Thermosol dyeing is a continuous dyeing method which is applied mainly for the polyester, cotton blended materials. General dyeing condition is as follows. Dye in 0.5 to grams L of migration inhibitor, for example sodium alginate, and also wetting agent if necessary are added to the padding liquor. Squeezing is carried out 1 dip 1 nip at room temperature, pick up 65 to 70%, drying at 70 to 90 degrees centigrade. After padding and intermediate drying, thermosol fixation is carried out by dry heating for 60 to 120 sec. At 180 to 210 degrees centigrade depending on the form of the material and type of dispersed dyes. Thanks for watching. Follow my account and learn more about dye knowledge.